Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Finally available na ang A-Coolie dito sa Pilipinas courtesy of Digital Walker and of course A-Coolie. Now, because of this partnership by both companies, they will be able to bring over products like the A-Coolie Aero Pro, A-Coolie Aero, A-Coolie Ultra, and a few more. In fact, they even teased yung bagong produkto nila dito, which is a camper kit, which includes a lot of attachments for their products. It is interesting because wala pang presyo and they said though that it will be coming dito sa Pilipinas. Kanina nagkakwentuhan kami ng CEO of Digital Walker. He even popped into the video which I cannot use for some reason because napakalakas ng music sa loob. But it was a really good time for us to also reconnect with some of the people here and some of the people from Digital Walker because as I mentioned, they're also the ones selling these products by A-Coolie dito sa Pilipinas. So yes, again, they are now finally here in the Philippines and we can't wait to show you guys what's in store for a lot of consumers. They did give us some products that we can unbox and feature on our website and channel. So go check it out. It's been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. These are the things that happened here at A-Coolie launch event dito sa Makati.